Okay, good morning. My name is David Hartgrove. I'm the President and Conservation Chair for Halifax River Audubon here in Daytona Beach. We're here at Ormond Central Park this morning. It's a beautiful, almost windless day. The water out here in front of us looks like you could skate across it. It's probably about 45 degrees here this morning, so kind of cold by Florida standards. Looking out across the pond here, there's a pied-billed grebe. Grebes are kind of strange little birds. Their legs are so far back on their body to facilitate swimming that they almost can't walk on dry land, so you very seldom see them up on dry land, and if you do, it might be on like a mud flat, and they will frequently flop down on their belly and push themselves along with their feet because it's just too difficult for them to maintain their balance. Great egret, way far across over here. Certainly much too far for the cameras, but an easy bird to pick up. Egrets have black legs, herons have greenish yellow legs. Great egret probably stands about so tall, black legs, bright yellow bill. Those are what are called field marks. Field marks are the identifying characteristics that help you to differentiate one species from another. So we're talking size of the bird, color of the bird, shape and color of the bird's bill, leg color, does the bird have wing bars? All kinds of little things like that that help you to identify the bird. When you see a bird, you don't necessarily want to race to your book right away because you'll have the book as long as you want it. The bird you may only have in view for 30 seconds. So you want to try and remember as many of those field marks as you can, and if you're lucky, you might have your phone with you, and you can snap a photo of that bird. Digital photography and smartphones have revolutionized birding because they allow us to capture that image, and then we don't have to depend on our somewhat failing memory. That sound we just heard is a pileated or pileated woodpecker, our largest woodpecker, probably about so large. My wife and I were here in this park about a month ago, and there's a dying oak tree back here that the woodpecker was just tearing apart. They have a very sharp bill. Woodpeckers, if you think about it, there's a famous little book called Why Don't Woodpeckers Get Headaches? And it's because woodpecker's brain is actually encased in a fluid-filled sac that absorbs the shock of those repeated hammerings on, usually on a tree, but every now and then you'll have one that will discover that the flashing on the edge of your roof makes a louder sound. And in woodpecker world, loud means good. So if you can hammer with your bill louder than your neighbor can, well, you're more likely to attract a mate. So a bird finds like I said, the flashing on the edge of your house, and suddenly you're rudely awakened at 6:30 in the morning when this woodpecker is hammering away.